Drop that beat, drop that beat, drop that beat, drop that beat, drop it, 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 drop it low, low, low. It goes down on me, down on me, down on me, down on me. Sounds on three, sounds on three. 1, 2, 3. Let me get a pow, 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 pow. Viper on the track, yo, fatty on her back. Viper on the track, no, you ain't hitting that, no. No, you ain't hitting that, no. No, you ain't hitting that, no. Des, who taught you how to put on that red lipstick? Viper taught me. Let's bring that back. Alright, slow, roll that up that dro, give me smoke, roll it by the O, you bitches choke. Oh shoot, it's recording.
I'm calling, y'all gonna hear the same fucking thing, that pussy.
And our camera, flash, 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 flash. In our cameras, in the cars, in the boys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wild, just scary. But that ain't stopping me, and that ain't stopping you. Cool as long as you just play a part. Just Maybach music. He was doing that last night. Who taught you how to make your booty clap like that? Oh my gosh, like my life is so freaking lavish. And I pray, and I pray, and I pray, and I pray. Every day, every day, every day, every day.
Me protect my man and protect myself. No boy can laugh off of my boyfriend. Them things that me give me say that pussy I cater to the man when me love. Baby, me no one, no other man. One man, to my pum pum yeah. 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 One man me say, with a big long john me say.
Sometimes in life you just have to apply some kick-ass red lipstick, bitch. Cause I'm the boss, y'all pay the cost. I'm getting taller, my money's growing, and my city's always showing. Pause. Roll that loud. I'm going off the head cause this is my style. Who taught you how to make your booby show all nicely like that? Snacks taught me. Oh, hi. Well, my name is Desiree, and I love her. Whatever
and I love you.
I love lip gloss. But follow me on Twitter at Delicious Snack. I am. And I want to tell everybody. Yo, remember when we made a rap video to this?
We was
Yo, we really did make one to this.
That was blasted.
Did we put that on Facebook? I gotta go look at it. We gotta do the bounce. Uh-oh.
Ma, come in this video with us.
So I called you a fan. I use my imagination creating dragon tails. Bitches can't see me every time they try, they fail. Yeah, and you can call me the teacher. That's Miss Snacks for you. All you niggas hit the bleacher. Yeah, on the bench. You couldn't do that press. And call me Miss Snacks. I'm rapping on this track. D Snacks on Twitter. And right now I'm your spitter. Like, I'm a motherfucking monster.
What up, boy? Looking real spicy. You look so cold, that watch so icy. Yup, looking all pricey. Meet Viper, you just might wife me. Listen up, I'm about to take you high. Blowing kisses on cloud 9. Yup, yeah, I said hi. Blowing sour trees, 3 at a time. I do's what I does. I don't give a fuck. Pete my Kanye shrug.
Don't make me now. Every day I make a new music, bitch. I'm from the fucking bottom, man. Get out of the way. But I made it out of space. You wish you was there. Make believe, but I do think there's something you can make believe.
Snacks, remember that smoky eye you had?
Oh, yeah.
Who taught you how to apply a smoky eye like that, Snacks?
Viper taught me.
Taylor Gang exclusive.
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah. You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Team Beautiful. Team Purple Lipstick. Team Lip Ring. Team Brown Skin. Team Trini. Team I Love My Cape Radians. Team Dimples in My Back.
I'm ill, 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 motherfucker, I'm ill, motherfucker, I'm ill, motherfucker, I'm ill, nigga, I got this. I'm ill, pop through spot, kick latch off, still rap white, that ash raw, that uncut, that sushi, I'm 2G, that's Gucci, I'm bossed up, they washed up, every day that kush I cough up, buy all cash, we don't rent out, I'm ill, swaggin'.
Why Desi is being so hard-headed?
You're right. I freaking love it. I don't even know how to explain this to you. Like, do you understand what I'm trying to say right now? Can you help me out here, Viper? Yo, this boy told me I'm rebellious. Is that good?
Why? Don't make the sweetness come out, it atty. But do not take it on. Don't make the sweetness come out, it atty. But do not take it on. Why? Don't make the sweetness come in. Why? I mean, I get the body. Why? I'm in a stop riding. Why? I'm in love with agony. Why? I need to forgive me. Chastising boys is my specialty. Me no mama mongoose, me a mama agony. Me no want nobody come in no cocky bully. Put paw shoulder, I'm my specialty.
Kill the bitch.
Drop soap, me know it already.
Kill the bitch.
Back shot, me know it already.
Kill the bitch.
Lizard lap, me know it already.
Kill the bitch.
Skin up her head, me know it already.
Kill the bitch.
Roast duck, me know it already.
Kill the bitch.
Any style you come with, me know it already. If I length and strength, me not run from it. Rocky lock, me not run from it. Womb turn up.
It's me gargling. That's all them giant.
All you bitches is my motherfucking sons, nigga.